Ever wondered what sets a regular dental cleaning apart from a deep cleaning? A regular dental cleaning, or prophylaxis, is a routine procedure for people with healthy gums. It focuses on removing plaque and tartar from the surface of your teeth and along the gum line, followed by polishing and flossing to keep your smile bright. Deep cleaning, also known as scaling and root planing, is recommended if you have gum disease or significant tartar buildup beneath the gum line. This process involves cleaning below the gums and smoothing the tooth roots to help your gums heal and reattach. If you notice bleeding gums, swelling, or persistent bad breath, talk to your dentist. Your dentist might suggest a deep cleaning to prevent further issues.